LG Q60, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display. Here you should go to the comfort view, and now if you'd like to activate blue light filter, all you have to do is to click on use comfort view. And that's it. Now you can personalize the colors, so you can pick some warmer or cooler colors. Let me choose, for example, this one, so you can see the difference clearly. And also this mode allows you to use black-white display. So as you can see now, the colors are totally inverted. You can turn off this option as well. And the third option is to schedule your comfort view mode. Just click on schedule, and you can pick either, just click here to activate it. And then you can pick either from sunset to sunrise or set time. And if you would like to personalize the time, just pick set time and then specify the hours. So let me pick, for example, 11 p.m. till 5 a.m. next day. So from now on, every day between 11 and 5, nightlight would be automatically activated. And that's basically all. This is how you can protect your eyes. This is how you can activate night mode on your device in your LG Q60. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.